Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this SQL tutorial. In this tutorial today I will be telling you about different SQL operators like union, union all and minus and intersect operator. So I'll be telling you using various statements in this tutorial, and also I'll be telling you and explaining you using the Venn diagram at the end of it so that you can easily understand how all these things are interrelated, like this union all, minus and intersect. And let me tell you about the union operator first. And suppose like in this statements, like I have two statements, and if you want to do the union, means that you want to see the combined data and between these two statements, then you can use the union. But in case of union, and what happens, it removes the duplicate rows. If there are any duplicate rows in between these two queries, so it's going to remove that. And also you need to have same column name between these two queries, then only this union is going to work. And now we are coming into the next operator, that is the union all. And just the suppose if you want to write like this union all, you can simply write like union all. Just write union all and you can see this both the data. And the difference between union and union all is the in union all you're going to see all the duplicate rows. If there's any duplicate, so that's also gonna come up, but in case of union the duplicates will be removed. Now we are coming into the next operator, that we'll be talking about the minus operator. And this minus operator is used in the SQL in order to remove the data set from the first query. Suppose if you write a query, like I will show you an example right here, system, like first query minus the second query, means whatever the data the first query provides minus the next query. And it is easier to use than not exist, because you can also do the same use or by not exist, and but it is much easier to use the minus operator, so which can provide you the exact value, like the a minus b. I will be showing you in the Venn diagram afterwards so that you can have a good understanding on that. And now we are coming to the last one, the intersect operator. And just like minus operator, just you need to write the intersect in between these two queries, like the first query, then intersect the next query. So what this intersect does, it is just the opposite of the minus, because it provides the common data between these two query. Like you have a query and then b query. Suppose in my case is the select color shape from table, and next you have select color from the another table. So in this both the queries, so it will provide whatever the common data you have, that's gonna come up in your output. So now I will be going into the Venn diagram. By that I will be explaining you how these functions like union all and intersect and minus operator works. So I'm in this paint here. Let me draw two circle like A and B. And suppose my if I write it, so this is A. You're gonna see my screen, I believe, and B. And if you do the let me tell you about the intersect first. And intersect meaning that, so this option, so let just this where I marked as black, so that portion is gonna come, that's called the intersect. And if I talk about the union all, then it provides all the data, like whatever A and B, everything's gonna come in your result output. And on the other side, if I talk about the union minus operator, then what's gonna see, we're going to see a minus b means only this portion, or if you do b minus a, I mean this is the first query, this is the second query, then this data is gonna come in your output. I believe it helps you in order to understand these different operators, in order to understand this very useful in SQL. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please have a look into my other tutorial. I have given the links in the below description. And if you're a new user, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your other friends and colleagues. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you again.